there is only one theory of how everything works. Proof. Mathematical proof, right? Imagine there are two theories that describe how everything works. Okay. You can put, each theory has a one-to-one correspondence with reality. Everything that happens in the theory happens in reality, and there is nothing that happens in the theory that doesn't happen. There's nothing, the theory doesn't predict things to happen that don't happen in reality. It's neither smaller than the whole of reality nor bigger. It doesn't say things happen that don't happen, and it doesn't not predict things that do happen. Imagine there is such a theory, but there's two of them. So you can put this one in a one-to-one correspondence with reality, and the other one is also in a one-to-one correspondence with reality. Now, if they're both in a one-to-one correspondence with reality, then they're also in a one-to-one correspondence with each other, in which case there is only one. There is only one theory of how everything works. We don't know what it is yet for humans, but that's the job of the Quisical Society, is to try and find it. It's the search for that theory, which encompasses all these other ones and explains absolutely everything as simply as possible. So that's the project. It's not the smallest project, but that's what I'm trying to do. So
what I have to ask then is, like,
yeah,
how far off do you think we are from?
I don't know. I can't answer that because it could be one more insight. It could be 1,000 years. I don't know.
Because I guess what I was thinking earlier was that does this feel like a leap to you?
It feels like the biggest leap ever from humans, to me. But then, that's a personal feeling. I think it's the biggest thing that ever happened in science. If it's right, it is, because it's put everything together. And the number of free parameters in science at the moment is roughly 100, and we're going down to 5. This is a very, very big leap forward, yes. Possibly the biggest one of all time, but certainly up there with some of the previous big ones like relativity and so on. But then that's only the case if it's right.